I hope we can do something. I hope it's a springboard. I hope it drives people back to the cinema and that we can keep this wonderful business going.
I like to watch cinema that really makes me feel as though I'm included, that my narratives are being told, and that the women that I was raised with, the women that I continue to love and respect, are women like Nomi. And the fact that she was even an idea on the page, you know, is reflective of the world that I see.
It was time to have like strong female characters who are not only strong but also vulnerable and just consistent. And for that, I'm really happy. Yeah.